Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Happy New Year. I know I'm starting the new year very late. Yeah, I apologize for just vanishing, I guess, without telling you guys where I'm going. But anyway, yeah, we'll talk about it in this video. So yeah, I just wanted my first video for 2021 to be a sit down, just so that I could fill you guys in on what I want to do, my plans, or some of my plans, and yeah, just basically what's been going on in my life, I guess. Yeah, so I hope you guys are having a great year so far. I hope you guys have set your goals and you guys have started working towards the goals. So yeah, what's been going on? The last time I think I uploaded a video was December, right? The last vlogmas. Yeah, then since then I was just in Mahalape. I came back to Gibbs I think around the 8th or something like that of Jan, and then just started the business, for some time, and then we got into fasting and prayer, and yeah, I think I just wasn't really in an okay space to shoot a video or to just come here, and I don't know what I would do, on my YouTube. I haven't went out to do anything interesting, so I wasn't really I couldn't shoot a vlog, what else? So yeah, today I just thought I should shoot outside because I think I like the weather today, and the lighting is just amazing. It's great. The birds are, I don't know, singing or something. So yeah, it's quite amazing. It's quite great. So yeah, yeah, I think I just the bulk of my video is just gonna be about me. It's not really sharing a testimony, but it is, kind of sorta, but just to motivate someone and to just let you guys know that you should keep going. So you guys know I graduated in 2017. I graduated in 2017, and then for the longest time I couldn't find a job. Anyway, for the longest time I was applying for a job. I couldn't find a job. We all know what jobs I struggled, I hustle. So yeah, I was part of the unemployment statistics, I guess, for the longest time. It's 2021, so I wasn't working for 4 years now. This was gonna be my 4th year. So yeah, in 2019, my pastor started, talking to me. I think we just built a relationship because that's when I was like really starting to commit fully to knowing God and building a relationship with God. So obviously that comes with you sort of getting like mentorship, or just, having a relationship with your pastor basically, so that they can just speak life into you and pray with you and stuff like that. So that time my pastor was busy telling me to apply for a job, and I'm like, no. I think at that point I just settled that, you know what, I was meant to be in business, maybe I was not meant to work. So that was just it. So even when my pastor was saying, apply for a job, you need to find a job, I'm like, okay, pastor, I hear you, but am I really looking for a job? My heart wasn't in it, I believed that I was gonna be a housewife, really. I was gonna be a housewife running businesses, so that I can assist my husband, okay, when the time comes. So yeah, that's just always been me. Even my friends know that I'm the housewife of the squad, the one that's gonna be staying at home, bearing the kids, running the businesses from home. So yeah, 2020 still, my pastor was still telling me to look for a job. I'm like, okay, yeah, this is getting serious. Like every single time he'd see me, are you applying for a job? Haven't you been called for an interview? I'm like, no, pastor. So December, when I took time out, basically, I told you guys that I went to my home village to just sit there. I just felt it strongly in my heart that I need to go, to get away from the noise, to get away from the city, to get away from my friends, to just be in my own little corner, where there won't be any distractions, so that I can be able to focus, to listen, and to let God speak to me. So I did that. I was in a lot of prayer. Guys, like a lot of prayer, and I think it was only literally that moment where I realized, or I decided that, you know what, God, I'm gonna pray. I'm gonna ask you to speak to me. And for once, I'm not going to be stubborn about it. I'm going to listen to what you want me to do. Like, use me. I'm here to listen to you. I'm here to listen to your voice. Whatever it is that you want me to do, I'll do it. Obviously everyone has needs. We all have our dreams that, I'm going to be a housewife, or I'm going to be a pilot, or I'm going to do this and that, But I think it's very, very important for us to listen to what God wants us to do. Like, it's very, very crucial. For the longest time, like I'm telling you, ever since I started like my Christian journey, just going to church, every time I would sing in church, like, I surrender, God, use me for your glory. I'm here. I'm your vessel. All that, I would sing that. But was I really, really open to that? No, I wasn't. Up until December, in my time of prayer, that's when I'm like, you know what, God, like, I'm tired of running away from you. I'm tired of running away from you. I really want to do this. Use me. Because I think I've learned over the years that, you know what, his way is the best way, it's the only way, and it is the truth. No matter how hard we try. Yeah. So I just said, you know what, God, I know that God, I will allow him to speak to me how he speaks to me. It could be through pastors, through other people, but then again, I will also confirm his word through the Bible. Whatever words that I get, if it goes with the Bible, then that's God speaking to me. So yeah, sometime in Jan, a job opportunity came to me, and I'm like, okay. Like, it was so sudden. It was like, okay. I mean, so it got me to reflect to a time where I was praying. I'm like, God, I'm gonna listen to your word. I'm letting you work your way through me. I'm gonna let you take me to places that you want to take me, despite my wants, or if I think it's my needs, things that I feel like I should have, or things that I feel like I should do. I'm gonna listen to your word. And I did exactly that. This job opportunity came, obviously prayed about it, and it felt so right, it felt so peaceful. And yeah, on the 1st of Feb, I was at my first day of work. Is it something I thought I'd ever do? No. Like I said, I was this housewife, guys, like, running businesses. Sometimes I'll just pop by the office, to just check if things are going well. But most of the time I'm with my kids at home. We're baking and doing, nice stuff, So yeah, I think it's something that I really thought I should share with you guys. And yeah, just, what, well, with our church, we say it's the year of restoration. Our pastor, senior pastor, yes, declared that it's gonna be the year of restoration, and that's just what it is for me and everyone around me. We're speaking the same language, obviously, so it is the year of restoration for us. Restoration in all ways possible. Your life, your Christian life, your relationship with God, your relationship with your family, finances, and everything like that. So we're really, really praying for that, praying that everything is really going to be restored. Our souls are going to be restored, our faith is going to be restored, finances are going to be restored. Every single thing that you've lost is going to come back multiplied. That's what we believe. And I really hope you guys will join in, seriously. Like, I'm praying that everyone will just find that church, the church that they belong to, and really start to build a relationship with God. It's something that I hold dearly to my heart. Everybody knows that I hold dearly to my heart. Ever since I became a Christian, I really gave my life to Christ. My life has been changing every single day. Like, my life has changed tremendously. People who know me from the past would actually be shocked to hear me say all these things now, because of just how much I have changed, how much I've grown, and this person that I am today. So yeah. Anyway, that's all that, you guys. I am working now. Still running a business on the side. Yeah, multiple income streams. Okay. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Guys, it's 2021. We have goals. We have to get there. So yeah, if you haven't set your goals, please do. Please set your goals. Please pray about them. Please meditate. Please be in your quiet time. Like, I'm not gonna stress this enough. This year, I think I'm just gonna be about have your quiet time. Have your quiet time. No friends, no social media, no nothing. Just play your worship, read the word, pray, and listen. Okay, listen and submit. basically. So yeah, YouTube, how things are gonna be this year. Well, since I'm working, I'll be able to do like midweek vlogs, because seriously, from Monday to Thursday, I'm really busy. Like I can't shoot anything, to be honest. If I shoot, it's gonna be after hours and there won't be lighting. It's like, plus I'll be tired and I never really do anything. Well, I haven't done anything for my past week. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna be starting vlogs on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's if I have something interesting that I'm doing. But I'm really gonna push. I'm committing to posting a video every single week. Yeah, so it's gonna be various things. I wanna learn how to do like the wig stuff, frontal wigs, and all that stuff. Which we'll talk about it in the year as the year goes by. Yeah, that's just how YouTube is gonna be. Nails, I'm still doing nails. I actually did my Valentine nails, the month of love. Yeah, I did my nails, so yeah, you guys can hit me up. I'm still taking clients for nails, and yeah, we're still moving forward. But yeah, I really hope you guys are gonna have a great year. I hope you guys have started already. I hope there's so many testimonies that we're gonna get or receive in this year. Yeah, I really, above that, I think I believe that you will allow God to work in your life. Yeah, it is very uncomfortable. It is very, very uncomfortable, because majority of time it's not what we want. You know, they say that we plan, but God decides. So every time you're planning, you're like, I'm gonna buy this, I'm gonna do this and that, and then God says, sweetie, you need to sow that money. You're like, what? I was gonna buy myself a car though. I was gonna buy myself, I don't know, a house or a car or phone, whatever it is, So yeah, just be in that space of allowing God to work in your life and really believing everything that God says to us. He loves us. He wants us to have the best. He wants us to prosper. He wants us to go to higher places, and we will get to higher places if we just trust in Him, if we dwell in His house. So yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys about that. Other than that, we're good. My operation is healing. I still have a couple more injections to get through, but it's okay. Obviously, when it gets cold, it starts to get a little bit painful and very itchy. But yeah, I've learned to live with it. I'm always warm, especially around that area. I'll always carry like a small little scarf blankie thing, in case I'm cold at work. I can just put it around. But yeah, everything is fine, man. I'm still grateful. It's another year. We have so many things that we want to achieve. So yeah, that's it from me. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you will subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I hope you guys will share with your family. And yeah, let's grow the family. Let's grow the channel. Let's do this, okay? Let's do this. This year we're reaching 1K. I'm serious. I'm really serious. Anyway, yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. And yeah, I love you. My lips are correct. I love you guys.